I became aware of Indwell's work and their advocacy for community housing, and I really kind of fell in love with it because there's so many important ways of addressing housing issues and homelessness. But to me, the Indwell model of supportive housing and in-house care and supports and sort of helping give people a hand up instead of a hand out. The supportive housing model to me is just such a no-brainer.
You feel like you're part of the community here, especially once you get to know the staff and the other residents. It's great. You feel like you belong.
There's a tremendous need for supportive housing in London, and right now in this season particularly. We know there's over 2,000 people who are homeless. We know that there's over 600 people who are on any given night are outdoors, tents, encampments just side of the road. That's a real crisis for those people, but it's really a crisis for our whole community. And I think practically this is where Health Services Building, War Memorial, Indwell's work with other partners in the community is at a very important time to turn the tide on that homelessness.
The buildings that are and were on this site tell the story not just of how healthcare and science evolved in London, but also how people came together to support each other and to help each other through difficult times.
These buildings were very well built. They are incredibly strong, the structures are amazing, and although they haven't been used for a long time, they have the great potential to be turned into new housing. We have 96 units planned for the Health Services Building. That's in addition to the 42 units at War Memorial. The 96 units will be divided up, it's a large building, so they'll be divided up across sort of two communities, anchored by a new sort of community hub right in the middle where the old auditorium was.
I'm an advocate for Indwell, but I'm also a donor. I'm in a privileged position to be able to donate money towards this project, and it means a lot to me, and I know that I've told a lot of other people that I've donated and encouraged them to donate. I mean, every dollar counts, right?
So the Health Services Building really is that momentum we need to turn the tide on homelessness here in London, and donations today are the key to attracting the federal and provincial government's funding that is the anchor for these projects' long-term success.
I would like to say thank you, that what you're contributing to is needed and it makes a difference, pretty much. It's made a big difference in my life.